Fix Roblox's "This experience is unavailable due to your account settings error." Hi guys, in this video, I'll show you why you guys are having this error right here that says this experience is unavailable due to your account settings. So let's go ahead and fix that. So the easiest way to fix that is to close your Roblox player for now. Go into your account settings right here. As you can see, I'm in my account settings. What you need to do is go into privacy right here, and you need to turn off the account restrictions that are enabled over here. So you need to turn off account restrictions, and this should fix the error. If that doesn't fix their error, then you might have the parental control. Then of course you have to allow these experiences over here. So you can add email, add a pin, and all of that. But for now, we'll just go ahead and leave it at that. And for now, we'll just turn off account restrictions, and that should enable us to play the game that we want. So if I come over here, and now if I open up Roblox player after turning off the restrictions, you're going to be able to see that the error is now fixed, and we can now play the games that previously we couldn't. So this game is the one that I couldn't play. And if it still gives you the error, it does mean that your birthday is set to really, really low. So you got to turn it high. So we're going to go ahead and turn it over to 2001, and that should do it. There you go. It is now saved. Now if I reload this page, it's 2001. Now if I come over here, I close this up, click over here, let me reload it, and here we go. So as you can see, we can now play this game. It works. So make sure to check your age. Make sure you go into your settings account, go into your privacy, and make sure you have account restrictions off. Make sure you have parental control off as well, suited for all ages. And if you still get the error, then what you can do is go into your account settings and make sure you verify your age. Once you've verified it, you are good to go. So that is it. Those are the things that you need to do. And that is it. Thank you guys for watching. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video and are now able to play the games that you wanted to play. So thank you for watching, and until next time, take care and goodbye.